Hey guys, so I hope you guys had a good weekend. Man, we definitely had another tough day of trading, another $2.93 range. We also had pretty low volume, under 70 mil still, but I mean the biggest talk of the day here is just the fact that we had extreme bull momentum to open up, and then we had a massive breakdown again, and then all of a sudden we just go into like 3 hours of a consolidation, and then we had another just this is the eighth day in the road now of pretty much the exact same trend of morning rise, mid afternoon to early morning or late morning dump, consolidation, and then end of day by 2 o'clock we're ripping back to high day. Very, very interesting, and I've never really seen price action like this before, so it's definitely interesting to see if we're going to get some continuation of this or if they're going to finally flip the script on us. Things I'm looking at here is we're in this really big rising wedge here. As you can see, key support for tomorrow sits right at 410.9. So essentially, SPY has to open green tomorrow and hold green all day long. Otherwise, that support line will be broken. If this support line is broken, then we're going to look for a retest of 405.3. Now, if this is the cup and handle here, and I was saying this 411 could have been, yes, on Friday I said that, could have been a good price target for the cup and handle to complete, since this is basically the average of this consolidation from February, then our price target actually is closer to 399 to 400. So definitely going to be keeping a close eye on that. From a supply and demand standpoint, we really haven't done anything new yet. We are still waiting to put in a daily supply on both futures and SPY. We also have perfect reversal bearish conditions on the daily for SPY and futures. However, we got to be careful because we actually have entered extreme bull momentum on the daily chart. So basically what that means is any pullback should be taken to the daily 8 EMA. So tomorrow, that's going to be somewhere right around this 405.2 level. So that's basically where I'm shooting for. However, if we do continue to break out, you can see if we were to hold this, our target's somewhere right here between 415.3 supply and 417 supply. Take a look at futures now. This is the exact same, almost identical breakout triangle and 5-day crazy strength, straight up bull channel. However, we have officially broken through on futures. So with this support breaking, our target should be the daily 8 EMA, which right now for futures sits right around 40.90. So same thing here. If this is our massive cup and handle right here, if we take 40.60 double top from February 15th and 16th, we hit 41.57 today. It's a 2 to 3 point difference. This could be the completion of our cup, which puts our handle right about here at 40.40 to 40.55. That would be my downside target. If we can get a new supply established below 41.58, and if we can come and break through the daily 8 EMA, would be my targets. Taking a look at the VIX here, very interesting day. The VIX actually had a pretty good morning rise up to break through the channel here and touch the daily 8 EMA. However, by end of day, it actually broke down pretty impressively and ended up with a bearishly engulfing daily candle. One thing to note here is that we're coming into that bounce territory. So 18.5 is exactly where on March 3rd, go back here on March 3rd right here, where we bounced and put the top in the following day on March 6th, which is the Monday after. So if we are repeating that pattern, then there is a chance that we are seeing the top of SPY and the bottom of the VIX being put in. Now, there's always a chance we're going to push down here into the 17s, much like we did on February 2nd, which February 2nd, if you remember, was all the way back right here where we put our top candle in. So we're definitely getting, in my opinion, near the top of this bull run. Now, I know a lot of people are calling for like 4,300, thinking that we're going to have a pretty big breakout here up this way. While that is possible, and we definitely could end up breaking out more, as you can see here, I just don't see it right now. I'm more watching for us to come back down and test this 40.95 and then probably end up back in this 3,900 range. However, there is the JPM calls at 4,300. And historically, we do hit that area eventually within about 50 to 100 points. So that does give some upside target to about 4,200 to 4,250. However, there's no timeline on that. So keep that in mind as we're going forward here. All right, hope you guys had a good day trading today, and I will see you guys tomorrow.